Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 5th. Today I'm going to read an essay from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening that you can find under February 3rd in the book. The title is Yearning. We know each other before we blink. We speak before we speak, with eyes and lips, in how we tip our heads, in how we lean like trees tired of waiting for the sun. We tell our whole story before we even open our mouth. And yet we frequently pretend that nothing is conveyed. We pretend we're strangers and deny what we learn before words. We are all made up of yearning and light, searching for a way out, afraid we will be shut in or cut off or repelled back into the ground from which we are reaching. This is enough to begin, to know, before all the names and histories drape who we are, that we all want to be held and left alone, again and again, held and left alone, until the dance of it is how we survive and grow, like spring into winter, and into spring again. What a beautiful reflection, isn't it? I feel like this one calls for a loving kindness practice. So let's do this one together now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, find spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now think of somebody who you love dearly, a friend or a family member with whom you have a very easy, caring relationship. Send loving kindness to them. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel protected, cared for, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now turn your attention inward, remembering your own basic goodness and your wish to be happy. Send loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person. Send loving kindness to them. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel protected, cared for, at ease. May they touch deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind somebody you have a challenging relationship with, and see if you can send them the kind words and wishes. And remember, you don't have to force anything, and if it's not flowing naturally, it's okay. You can send loving kindness to yourself or to somebody else, or you can simply watch to see what happens in you as you try to send loving kindness to this challenging person. No judgment. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel protected, cared for, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now take a moment to send loving kindness on all directions, above you, below you, to either side, front and back. Feel your being expand in all directions with the energy of loving kindness, and send it to all living beings. May all beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well, in body and mind. May all beings feel protected, cared for, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, remember, we know each other before we even blink. So let in what you learn of others by how their being passes you. And without a word, bestow a blessing on each and everyone as they walk away. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they know deep, natural peace. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.